Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D website using Google Antigravity. So I'm going to show you all the process here step by step. At first we will go for the Google Antigravity. So go for the browser and go for Google Antigravity. If you search it on the browser, then if you search Google, okay, Google Antigravity, here you can see antigravity.google.com, go there and click here in the right top corner download, and go scroll a little bit down and go in this one, okay, Antigravity ID. Now download according to your operating system. I already have this. Make sure you have download Google Antigravity ID, okay? Don't go with Antigravity 2.0 or CLI. Go with the Antigravity ID. That's it. Now let's open this. So here we go. We have here Google Antigravity IDE. And in the right side we have agent section. Here we are not going to use agent section. We are going to remove this and we are going to go for the terminal. Okay, so go for the new terminal, and here we are going to install OpenCode. So if you install this, I mean if you type this command npm space I space -g OpenCode-AI, and if you hit enter, then OpenCode will be installed here. So if you successfully install it, and if you want to check if you have no OpenCode or not, you can say here OpenCode -- version. You will get the OpenCode version. You can see I have here. Now we'll remove this. I mean we'll click here kill terminal and then click here Explorer, and we'll click here open folder, and in the download we are going to create a new folder, and the folder name will be banana. Let's say banana shop, okay, -shop. Create it and add it. Here you can see we have added it, banana shop, and now we will actually go for the terminal once again and new terminal. Currently we are inside banana shop, you can see. Now we are going to open OpenCode here, okay? So to open OpenCode you have to say OpenCode and hit enter. Then OpenCode will be open here, you can see. And we are going to skip it because we are not going to update it, okay? So here we are going to give a prompt, okay? So to give a prompt we have to actually go for the browser and go for the ChatGPT or Gemini, okay, and then ask for a prompt. Here you can see I have mentioned here a little information about my project, and that is I want to make a 3D website using Google Antigravity free AI. For this I need a professional prompt, use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JS only, and it should be static website for a business, let's say for a banana shop, and use yellow and blue color combination. Yellow is the banana color, so yeah, let's go with this one. And here you can see it gives me a fully functional prompt, and what you have to do, you have to go through the prompt, and then if you want to change anything you can mention here and regenerate it, okay? For the tutorial purpose I am okay with it, so I'm going to copy this and go back here in the Antigravity IDE, and here we are going to paste it, okay? The shortcut is Command+V. If you are from Windows, shortcut is Control+V. If you are from Linux, shortcut is Control+Shift+V, okay? Now you don't have to do here anything, just hit enter and then it will create the whole project for us. Alright guys, here you can see our project is done. Now we will actually run this project. So we are going to actually go to the project directory here. In the downloads we have the project, and that is banana shop index.html. Let's open this. Here we go. We have here a 3D website, you can see, and these are moving, you can see. And here we go, and there is little animation also, you can see. Alright guys, so it's a fully functional website, you can see. We have different section, okay, and these are moving, you can see. Awesome animation here. So guys, if you want to make this kind of professional website, you can actually do this using OpenCode, and this is for free. So guys, I have shown you how you can create a fully functional 3D website using Antigravity for free. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.